What do you think is the reason for the increase in plastic pollution?
Well, the thing about plastics is that it is a very good material. The manufacture of it is easy, it lasts longer, and it has a lot of applications and a lot of benefits for human life. So since the start of its production, and because the different polymers and the different plastics have these characteristics of being very useful, they have been starting to be produced massively. And because it's easy to produce them and it's easy to transport them, but it's not as easy to recycle them, then they're started to increase the amount of plastics in trash. And from there, it's very easy for this material to be transported into aquatic ecosystems, especially rivers and creeks, eventually estuaries, and eventually the sea.
Actually, there are two main sources from plastic if we are thinking on coastal areas. One from land, and the other one from the sea. The most important is from land. And if you think, open a little bit the point of view, the Rio La Plata estuary is one of the larger estuaries in the world. So wow. if you are looking for the sources or the main problem that could be affecting the amount of marine litter or plastic litter in the estuary, you should see a little bit larger than just what's happening in Montevideo. Of course, Montevideo is one of the largest cities, but the result of the amount of plastic is not just what is happening with the cleaning in Montevideo. Plastic garbage produced in Paraguay, in the south of Brazil, could be arriving to the Uruguayan coast.
The pluvial and the water treatment plants and everything like that dumps especially microplastics into the estuary for sure. Other very big cities also do the same. Prevent microplastics from water treatment plants or from rain is very, very difficult. And this map, what shows you is that if the circles are bigger, total plastic waste produced is also bigger. And the red part within that circle shows the portion of plastic waste that is mismanaged. This trash goes from country to country. So sometimes some countries receive a lot of waste from developed countries, especially.
It could be easy to think that we can point the country that polluted the more. But I think this is quite more complicated because not all the countries have the same budget, the same capacities, the same development. The problem is related to consume and to management capacities. And so this map is just a picture of one of the aspects of that. I mean, and I think the most important thing here is the production of plastic, the global production of plastics, and the main industries behind that, and of course all of us as a consumers.